Hey guys, Mr. Brown here, 6'2", kites and trapezoids. In this video, we are going to talk about mid-segments of trapezoids. So what is a mid-segment? In this diagram, right, the top and the bottom, these are bases. The one that goes through the middle, this is the mid-segment. Now the length of that mid-segment is the average of the two bases, right? In order for this to work, this has to be the midpoint of this side. So x is the midpoint of AB, I can tell because those two segments are congruent. And y over here has to be the mid-segment of this, or the midpoint of this line segment from C to D, and I can tell because of the double tick marks. So that forms this mid-segment. And the formula for that is it's the length of this base plus the length of this base divided by 2, right? It's the average of the two of them. All right, so using that information, in this diagram, let's figure out what the length of the mid-segment is. Well, it's just the average of the two bases. The base is 3 plus 4.2 divided by 2. That's 7.2 over 2, which is 3.6. So this part has a length of 3.6. Now one more example. This one is kind of the inside-out version of that. Here we've got one of the bases in the mid-segment, but we don't know what the other base is, right? So solving for x here, we know one base is 22. We don't know the other one, so let's put an x there. And we're averaging the two of them, and that is going to equal 15, right? So solving for this, I've got a number in the denominator. I'm going to get rid of that first because I don't like fractions when I'm working with algebra. I try to get rid of them if I can, right? And so what we are left with is 22 plus x is equal to 30. And now if I subtract that 22 from both sides, I should get my missing side length, my missing base, which has a length of 8. So this base has a side length of 8, and the average of 8 and 22 is 15.